Good morning everybody, it is Monday and today is such an exciting day. It's actually the first day that the builders are coming in to start work on the flat, and this is a video that you guys have been waiting for 6 months. Are we talking 6 months now? If you don't know what's going on, in January I bought my first flat, and I will link down below the empty flat tour. I showed you every room, talked you through briefly the kind of structural work we wanted to do, because it's basically a complete doer-upper. Every room needs work done to it, basically. The reason it's taken so long is because it's expensive, and buying a flat in the first place is expensive, and then having to completely redo it is a whole different ball game. So it's taken a while for that, and also it's just a big job and we need to find the right people. So today it begins. I'm gonna show you quickly what they're gonna be doing today, because there's been a few changes to the plan. Hi, Pa. So here is the side of the flat. So the kind of not so exciting things are happening first. They won't look exciting to you, but to me it's exciting. Also, excuse my face, it's like 8 AM and I look like a thumb, so just ignore that. So what's happening today is all of this flooring here, I don't know if you can see, it goes up on a slope, but this is going to be lowered down to ground level, so here. So this is all going to get dug out and brought to ground level. Sorry about the cars. The coal hole thing is coming out, because if you've seen the flat tour then you know that my bedroom is going down in the basement, so we need to lower the floor to put windows down there. So that is the first meaty task at hand, and then we will work on the downstairs. So far today's been eventful. I've just saved a bee, I gave it some sugar and it's lived, and the builders have just arrived. They've set everything up and they are starting to dig up the pavement, and me and my dad were just planning what we wanted to do in the garden, and I'm so excited. That beautiful sound that I've never found beautiful before. I realised that I forgot, oh my god, these stairs make me nervous. I forgot to update you on the basement, because lots of things have changed. Basically the whole layout has changed of what we're doing. So if you would remember, hang on, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, no, I'm fine. If you remember here, we were going to try and make this a spare room, because the foundations are too high. We couldn't get enough head height to make it a proper room all the way back. So we are losing this as negative space. But from that pillar is going to be a little room, which we're actually going to make my shower room, so that under here clears room to be a washing room. So I'm going to put, why does it look green in the light? Really weird. Here is going to be like washing machines, multiple washing machine, tumble dryer, the boring stuff under the stairs. And then here, this is where the biggest changes kind of happened. I mean, nothing yet, but theoretical changes. So this was going to stay open, and then my room was going to be here. We are now actually going to turn this into my walk-in wardrobe. So this wall, I hope this is clear, this wall is getting closed up. There's going to be a wall here. They're going to knock down this wall and this centre pillar here, and then this whole space all the way through here is all going to be one room. So from there to there, minus this wall, and then it's going to close here, and then I'm going to have a door here into the walk-in wardrobe, if that is clear. We just found that that was the most kind of efficient use of the space, and it means that I also get somewhere to put my washing machine, which means that in the kitchen I'd like to have a little bar, not like a bar as in like a little island almost, but not in the middle, kind of attached. Not very clear, you know what I mean. And I can't put that there because the washing machine's there. So now the washing machine's coming down here, I can put that up there. Sorry, I'm sweating. It is mid-heat wave. Poor guys. Very, very, very exciting day. Big day. Yeah, so this will be a big change, because you'll get an eye for how big the actual room will be, and so will I, and I can start kind of planning where everything is going to go. Okay everybody, it's 5 o'clock and the lads are just leaving now, and they've had a very hot, very productive day. Let me show you. They have dug out all of this concrete. I don't think you can see how deep that goes, but that is a huge difference. If I show you the before and after. So here's the before. Very impressive. And it's been hot today, poor guys, so I hope they sleep well tonight. Oh god. That comes just above knee height, I would say. And so here was all concrete. There was the, what's it called? The coal thingy was here. That's all gone, and the window is going to be here and here. So that was the original window, and then they blocked it in here with concrete. I don't know why they did that. So that's going to be the window. We thought while we were here we would do a little bit of gardening. So Paulie J is on the strimmer. There we go. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference, but that makes a huge difference. That's come out of the path today, and there will be more tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day. Hello, it is the next evening. The guys just left, so I thought I would show you what they've done. I don't actually know what they've done, because I've been hiding in the kitchen, so we'll go find out together. I know that they were downstairs, which is obviously the biggest kind of bulk of the work. I hate coming down here right now. These stairs are so dodgy. Oh my god. Blimey. I mean, you can't see, so let me show you. I don't know if you can remember what this looked like. This was closed up to here, and they have managed to dig out. That is a lot of just stuff. Wow, that's very impressive. Yeah, they've worked hard today. I'm excited to have that as a little room. That's going to be my bathroom or shower room. That is so exciting. We had a little bit of a mishap today. Oh, no, I'll show you that in a minute. I'll tell you about the mishap first. So the plumbing from my neighbour's toilet, I say neighbour, upstairs, toilet broke because it's just an old building and a lot of the pipes are kind of cracking because it's old. They had to replace loads of the pipes for my neighbour's plumbing, and my neighbour wasn't home. So if they had been home and they'd flushed the toilet, that would have been really bad. It's all fine, sorted. That's so good. I'm really pleased that they've started on that room, because obviously that's the most kind of the biggest difference. And then in my bedroom, oh wow, you can see here where they have lowered the ground. So if you can see out there, they've lowered it to ground level so that I can have a window. And now it's open, and they've just blocked it in with a bit of a door. That is going to be a decent sized window. I'm excited for that. And then over here, this is going to be another window. Right, that's down here. Now let's go upstairs and see how the digging has gone. Bye kitchen, see you tomorrow. They've brought the cement mixer in. That's exciting. This, for a frame of reference, my dad, myself and Tim dug that out, and they've done that massive big old chunk, so I'm really pleased with that. Down here, yeah, they've finished, basically. They have finished most of the digging here, so that's where the window is. So you can see where the floor was. We couldn't have a window. We are putting steps up to here. So they've done, that's a flat. That's insane. Successful day, they've done good. See you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. It is Wednesday, happy hump day. I'm literally about to head to the flat. It is 10 to 9. So the builders start at 9, but I need to obviously be there to let them in. And I've been up since 6:30 waiting on a delivery of supplies, and they gave me a 7 till 10 time slot. And as it always happens, every friggin' time I have to wait in for something, they leave it until the very last minute. I've been up, I've been dressed, I've been ready to get straight to the flat to accept this delivery. Obviously now I'm heading over there to let the builders in, and I didn't even have to be up this early because after I've let them in, they can get the delivery, you know? Yes, I've got my key. I suddenly panicked that I didn't have my key. Okay, we're here. I cannot wait for this to not be the background here. The lighting in this kitchen is so buff, but the window is a little bit too high. That would have been perfect for just general things, but oh well. I'm finding new places to put you. But the cabinets are all gonna be in different places and stuff. But yeah, this is on the wall. Who does that? Unless they're covering, I think it's hollow. It is. I think they're covering a hole in the wall with a pin board, so I can't wait for that to go. That's gonna have my beautiful shelves on that wall. This, I think we're moving down, well, we are hopefully moving this downstairs to be in the laundry room, which would be amazing. Shelves are all going to be in completely different places. The goal for today is to just keep digging downstairs, getting as much headroom and stuff in there as possible. So yeah, I will show you that later on today when I nip back. But tonight is the England match. It's the final on Sunday. France won last night, which I'm actually really pleased about. I hope it's an England v France final because Tim is half French. So there'll be some internal struggle there. Where does his loyalty lie, you know? So yeah, that would be really exciting. So I'm gonna go to the pub tonight and watch that. But first, the flat. I'm just so pumped. I just want it all to be like done. I've chosen my floor. In here and in my office, I am just gonna sand and stain this floor because these floorboards are lovely. A few of them are a little bit like uneven. Some of them need to be changed. But I definitely want to keep the original floorboards because they're lovely, solid wood. Like, why would I change that? But I think I've chosen the tiling I want all throughout here, into the bathroom. So yeah, I'm making some big fun decisions. I'm just so excited. To get all gushy on you for a sec before the builders get here. This is what I've wanted since I was like 11 or 12. Like, decorating and interior design and stuff is something that I've been interested in my whole life. I love beautiful interiors. This is too low. The window's too high, this is too low. What about my cupboard? Perfect. It's something that I've wanted to do for so long, and I'm so lucky that I'm in a position where I'm able to do this right now. So I am gonna make everything exactly how I want it. Very particular, because this is costing me a lot of money. But I'd rather spend my money on this than designer handbags, you know? I'm really, really excited. And then maybe I'll get myself a Gucci after. I'm kidding, I'd love a Gucci handbag. But I want a kitchen more. I want a kitchen more. The flat just got 10 times better. Look, I've got a little furry friend. Bye. Aww. The goal is to have my own furry friend at some point, probably of a woofer variety, but not for a while. Not for a while. I need to learn how to look after myself before I put the life of a living thing under my responsibility. I think it's Thursday? Friday. Friday. Good morning. I look like death warmed up. Today's Friday. I didn't film yesterday because I was dead yesterday. Had a very, very severe hangover yesterday, so I didn't want to be on camera in any way, shape or form. Big moves have been made. I'm going to show you. Where's Nathan? You guys remember Nathan? He's been in my vlogs quite a few times, but he's doing some construction. Let me show you what's happened. In here, oh my god, in here is, that's insane. I don't know if you can really tell on camera. How far does it go back? 2 meters. They have dug out. This is gonna be my shower room. And it's big, guys. Like, this is a big hole. They've done so well. Okay. So this is one room, and then in my opinion, the biggest change. The wall is gone. So the wall that was here to make this a little separate room is gone. So now this is all one big room. So you kind of now have an idea of the space. This wall is still here, where the wardrobe will be. They scurry out of shot. This will be a door, and then yeah, this is my bedroom. I am so excited, man. Here's my little window. Oh, this is nice. This is bigger than I thought. That's the most recent update. Today they're just going to continue digging out that room, so you'll see the end result later on.
4 units, so that'll be oven, boiler. So the boiler will sit in there. Hello, it is Monday. Is it Monday today? Tuesday. Oh, Tim and I are heading to the flat. I've not been there since Thursday, so they've had 2 days of work and I've not seen what they've done. So we're gonna head over there and have a look. I'll show you. Hopefully, I think the pathway outside has been reconcreted, and then just more digging up. I'm excited to see. Tim hasn't seen it.
I haven't seen it in ages.
Since any of the work's been done.
Yeah.
We just went and had a look, but the builders were still there, so I didn't want to film, like, talk to you. So what they've done is made the windows downstairs the size they're going to be, and done the kind of outlining with the bricks, and also started laying the concrete down on the path outside. And you'll have seen they've built these steps, which is so exciting, which means the front garden will soon be basically like done. Well, obviously they need to neaten it up. I'm gonna head back home and Tim's gonna go to work, and I'll see you soon. So I'm at the flat and the boiler is being moved, but it's not going downstairs, it's going to stay in the kitchen but up the wall and covered by a cupboard. You'll see in the cutaway where the outline for it is going to be. So that's a big task today, and loads of stuff's been moved out of the kitchen. So the old oven is there. Bless it. And we're also getting rid of all of the like dirt that they've dug from downstairs outside, and this is the state of the pile. Oh my god, I don't know how to get the scale. It's pretty large. It'll take me at least 30 seconds to clamber over it. Friday, and I'm gonna end this renovation vlog here because I'm actually literally about to run for a train. I'm going to visit Tim's uni house for the weekend, and I'm not back until Wednesday. There will be 4 days worth of work happening that we can update each other on Wednesday afternoon, so there'll be like a big change hopefully in the beginning of the next vlog. So I feel like because there'll be quite a big gap now, I'll leave it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the format. I thought I would just keep it quite concise and just showing you kind of literally just day by day. So I hope you're enjoying it. The work is moving really quickly. It's only been like a week and a half and they've made some really good inroads, so I'm extremely pleased and I can't wait to show you the rest. Realistically, I reckon these videos will go up kind of every 2 weeks because I want to have enough stuff to show you. Please do let me know what you think down below and if you're looking forward to seeing the rest, and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the renovation videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!